Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 3, and today we're excited to present our AI Integration Framework. Imagine two developers working side by side, one eager and curious about the potential of AI, and the other worried about its implication for job security and code quality. In today's development teams, this divide between enthusiasm and concern can impact productivity, create tension, and even stall career growth for developers. Whether they're just starting out or seasoned expert, our AI integration framework aims to bridge that gap by bringing together different perspectives in guiding responsible AI adoption. Our framework consists of five main components: training and development, which includes workshops and mentorship to support all developers; quality assurance, combining AI testing with human oversight to maintain code quality; exclusive adoption, ensuring equal access to AI tools and involving diverse voices; communication and feedback with regular updates to reduce uncertainty; and legal and ethical compliance, providing guidelines that protect data and follow ethical practices. The next presenter will be Miss Hani.
Thank you very much, Ms. Elsea. So now let's move on to the potential societal impacts of AI adoption and development teams. So on the positive side, automation, while sometimes intimidating, has boosted productivity and enhanced security. For example, junior developers now have more opportunities to tackle complex projects such as design system architecture, while AI tools handle more routine and repetitive tasks. This leads to several benefits, including improved code quality, better risk management, and a reduction in technical debt. However, there are challenges that we need to acknowledge. Senior developers may start feeling undervalued as AI tools take over tasks they were previously responsible for. Additionally, new graduates may find it harder to build foundational coding skills due to a shift in focus towards AI driven work. Non technical team members may feel excluded or unsure of their roles in the tech heavy environment, and other significant concerns include job displacement, the potential for tech divide within the teams, and the risk of over reliance on AI tools. So to address these challenges is crucial for the successful AI adoption. To do this, we have developed several mitigation strategies. For ethical considerations, we will conduct bias checks and regular ethical audits to ensure fairness and transparency. Clear guidelines will be established to direct how AI tools are used in a way that promotes responsible practice. To tackle legal issues, we will provide compliance templates to streamline adherence to regulatory standards, and intellectual property protection and data privacy will be enforced to maintain trust and security within the team. To help team members adopt, we focus on training initiatives. This includes creating tiered learning paths, hosting workshops, establishing mentorship programs, and maintaining a resource hub accessible to everyone. This ensures that all team members can progress in their AI learning journey, regardless of their current skills. In terms of quality assurance, we will combine AI testing with human oversight and set clear performance metrics. This approach helps maintain high standards and ensure the reliability of AI tools. Lastly, we will implement inclusive practices to guarantee that all team members we have equitable access to AI tools and training. Diverse voices will be included in decision making processes, and inclusivity audits will be conducted regularly to ensure no one is overlooked. These strategies have shown promising results when applied in real world teams, helping to address common concerns and support a more efficient and inclusive AI adoption process. Next presenter will be Ms. Zaira. Take over, please.
Thank you. So now let's consider the limitations of this framework. While it has several clear advantages, such as promoting better teamwork, faster project delivery, and clearer career paths, it is important to recognize its limitations. Full implementation of the framework takes time, and there may be temporary slowdowns as teams adjust to new processes. Additionally, natural resistance to change is to be expected, as some individuals might be hesitant to adopt new technologies. Training everyone to use AI tools effectively is resource intensive and will require both time and significant investment. Furthermore, AI technology evolves rapidly, so regular updates and adjustments will be necessary to keep pace. Finally, not every task or project may be well suited for AI driven solutions, and careful evaluation is required to determine where AI is most effective. Despite these challenges, we believe that with proactive management and the right approach, these obstacles can be minimized. The transition to using AI tools can be smooth and beneficial for the entire team in the long run. Now, to conclude, our AI integration framework offers a structured method for adopting AI technologies in a way that maintains high standards in software development. Success depends on balancing the technological aspects with the human elements, ensuring that both junior and senior developers, as well as non-technical team members, are supported throughout the process. I encourage you to think about how this framework could be adopted to fit your own organization's needs. The future of software development will rely on our ability to integrate AI tools thoughtfully while preserving essential skills and fostering a collaborative team culture. Thank you for your attention, and we are happy to answer any questions you might have regarding the framework or its implementation.
Thank you very much. So let's move on to the question and answer portion. We have here question number one. So, in what ways can AI enhance developers' capabilities? So, AI can significantly enhance developers' capabilities by automating repetitive tasks like code formatting, refactoring, and debugging. So, this will allow developers to focus more on complex and high value work such as system design and solving tough problems. So I can personally relate to this as in my early years of coding, I spent a lot of time searching for answers through Google or watching YouTube tutorials. So it was way too overwhelming at times, but once I realized that AI could help with generating code and offering solutions, it made everything easier. But despite the clear advantages AI offers, I've noticed that some developers still find coding difficult. Through observation, I've learned that while AI can automate tasks and offer solutions, it doesn't replace the need for solid understanding of the basics. So, as developers, we must know how AI works and how to implement its generated code correctly. This is where a well defined framework becomes essential. It ensures that AI is used effectively while keeping developers grounded in the fundamentals of coding. So the next question is how can we create a culture of AI literacy within the development team? So in our framework, we emphasize several strategies to cultivate a culture of AI literacy. First, we implement a tiered learning system that accommodates developers of varying experiences levels, ensuring that team members can progress at their own pace. So interactive workshops are a core part of the framework, offering hands-on learning experiences that help solidify AI concepts. To further support this, our mentorship program connects experienced developers with newcomers to facilitate knowledge transfer. And the framework also ensures equal access to AI tools for all team members, fostering an inclusive environment. We actively involve the diverse perspective in decision-making processes and encourage regular check-ins to keep the entire team updated on the latest developments. Furthermore, we establish anonymous feedback channels for candid input, which allows the team to address concerns and improve learning experiences. Finally, the framework includes the provision of clear, adaptable tutorials and guides to support different skill levels. And lastly, for our third question, how can we handle transparency and explainability when using AI in development, particularly for the stakeholders? So, for our framework, it tackles transparency and explainability through clear and structured mechanism. We begin with the establishment of ethical guidelines that guides decision making, ensuring that all actions are aligned with moral principles. Transparency is a key component in our AI process, where regular updates are provided to stakeholders to prevent any unexpected outcomes. Next, the framework also integrates bias detection measures to ensure fairness with continuous ethical oversight to maintain accountability. So we will set up an AI-specific testing protocols combined with human oversight to catch any nuanced issues that may arise. We will also have these performance metrics that are used within the framework to measure and demonstrate the AI reliability, which helps in the building of trust with the stakeholders. Additionally, quick response times are essential for addressing concerns raised by stakeholders. So, while regular compliance checkups and simplified guidelines help ensure the AI system adheres to regulatory standards. These efforts combined provide stakeholders with the clarity they need to trust and understand the AI processes in the development. And thank you for so much for the questions.